20 nobles came from Bankery Hall, and bonny Glenloggie was the fairest of all. These 9 nobles rode to Bankery Fair, and bonny Glenloggie was the fairest yen there. So doon come Jeanie Gordon, she come tripping downstairs, and she's fancied Glenloggie o'er all that was there. She called for his footman who stood by his side. Now who is that young man, and far does he bide? His name is Glenloggie when he is at hame, and he's of the gay Gordons, and his name is Lord John. Glenloggie, Glenloggie, you be constant and kind. I have laid my love on ye, and you're aye in my mind. So he's turned around quickly as the Gordons they are, saying thank you kind lady, but I'm promised a war. Glenloggie, 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 wailed she, if I cannot hail in a miniature lady. Her father was a chaplain and a man of great skill, and he penned a braid letter, and he penned it recht weel. When he looked on the letter, a light laugh laughed he, but when he's read the letter, a tear blin his e'e. Go saddle up the black horse and saddle the brown, bonny Jeanie o' the Felny, will be dear I win. So pale and wan was she afore he come in, but bright and rosy grew she when she kent it was him. Turn around now, bonny Jeanie, turn to your recht side, and I will be the bridegroom if you'll be the bride. Oh, Bethelny, you shine where you stand, and the bells are ring our five is land. Oh, Bethelny,